Hello and welcome to this new series for AWS Solutions Architect. So for this course, what we're basically going to do is we're going to look at the AWS exam in particular. And the one we're going to look at is the Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. Now, this course is specifically meant for people that maybe have a little to none of experience in this field. So if you're looking to get into AWS, you're looking to get into the cloud, this is the perfect series for you because what we're going to do is we're going to take this series right back to basics. We're going to learn everything together. We're going to discover everything together. And we're really, really excited in 2024 that, at some point we're going to see if we're actually going to be able to attempt the exam and pass the exam. Now, I'm going to clarify I do have some experience in AWS, but I really want to impart knowledge and I want to learn and teach, and discover all of these types of things together as one type of team. So, really looking forward to getting started. So, let's have a look.